Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how can you start a YouTube channel in 2024, or you can say what gadget actually do you need to start a YouTube channel. If you are still thinking that you need to start a YouTube channel, then just watch this video. I will tell you step by step how can you start a YouTube channel and what gadgets do you need. So first thing first, you need a proper camera, not a smartphone. People will tell you that you don't need a camera, you can just use your smartphone. Some people may disagree with me. They will tell you that just buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max or a Samsung latest S24 Ultra or S25 Ultra. But believe me, a cheaper DSLR camera, old DSLR camera could give you a better, way better result than a smartphone. No matter how latest is it, no matter what smartphone is it, you cannot get a camera level photo or video in your smartphone, no matter which smartphone is it. Even phone companies record or take photos using DSLR to fool people. You guys maybe heard about it. Why camera give you a better quality? Because camera has a bigger sensor. If your sensor size is bigger, then it will capture more light and give you more background separation. In a smartphone, it's quite impossible. You can record a portrait video, but it's just software based, not hardware. In camera, you can get hardware based true background separation. So this is why you need a camera. Forget whoever tell you what, just follow my step. You need a camera. You can buy a cheaper camera like Canon EOS 200D, which is a great camera. It costs $215 in used market. It has a great autofocus capability and a full HD 60 fps video recording capability. You don't need a fancy latest camera because you are just starting. If you success in your YouTube journey, then you can buy a higher quality camera like Sony full frame cameras. But for starting, I will not recommend you buy a fancy camera. Just buy the cheapest one you get. But remember, it should be autofocus. Without autofocus, it will be very hard to record solo. Then you need a lens. Yes, lens is the most important thing of a camera. 50mm f1.8 is cheapest lens for your Canon 200D or cheapest DSLR cameras from Canon. 50mm f1.8 is the most affordable camera lens you can get. You need 3 light stand, one for camera. You can buy expensive one with more features, but in this video I will tell you that just go with the cheapest one you get. Other 2 for 2 light, one for key light, one for background light. You need a light and softbox with good enough brightness. I will recommend go for cheaper one, or you can buy a branded like Godox and branded softbox. If you watch some YouTube videos, you can probably see DIY lighting setup. You can make it, but to be honest, it will take a lot of time and lot of hard working. End of the project, maybe you cannot set the light properly. That's why I will recommend just do not waste your time. Just go and buy cheapest one. Do not try to make it way more harder than you're thinking. Or if you have the tools or experience, then you can go for it. Lastly, you need a microphone. If you are in a studio based environment, then I will recommend you just go for a cheapest 24-bit recording ability microphone, something like this microphone. Or you can buy a little expensive Zoom H1N, which is very popular audio recording device with a very high quality recording capability. As compared to other recorder, the price of Zoom H1N is little lower, but as compared to a USB microphone, it little expensive. So if you are in a tight budget, then go for USB microphone. If you have little more budget, then I will recommend just buy a separate recorder like Zoom H1N. I will not recommend using a cheapest Boya BY-M1 microphone. This is a very famous microphone. Even lot of high quality channels also used this microphone once upon a time. To be honest, this Boya BY-M1 is good microphone, but it has a problem. Like if you connect with your camera, you can get one kind of sound, and then if you connect this microphone with your smartphone, you will get different type of sound. And lastly, if you connect this microphone with your computer, you will get another type of sound. So sound quality changes depend on the devices. So that's why I will not recommend you this one, and it has a very long cable which is little harder to manage. So if you are in a very tight budget, then you can just go for it. I will recommend you just use your microphone, use your Boya BY-M1 with your smartphone. The smartphone will give you the better result as compared to other devices. Also, I do not recommend you to buy a wireless microphone. Wireless signal just kills the audio quality, no matter how expensive it is. If the wireless microphone have built-in recording capability, then this is perfect. You are trying to use your wireless microphone to record in your camera or in your phone, then I will definitely not recommend it. If you buy like a high quality mic like DJI mic or Rode wireless microphones, then it could give you a better performance. But to be honest, I highly recommend just buy a separate recorder like Zoom H1n, or you can buy a USB microphone with 24-bit recording capability, which will give you way more better performance than a wireless microphone. So this is the gadgets you need to start a YouTube channel, and you must have to practice. Slowly you will understand everything. You need a good enough script to attract people. If you have a fancy camera, fancy microphone, fancy lighting system, but your script is not good, then people will not watch your video. I just shared my experience with you guys. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.